as the COO, tell us the initiatives that RB is taking. How is RB helping?
Sanket, for almost the last century, our brands Dettol and Lysol have been really at the forefront of hygiene across the world. So this is something that we've been doing for a very long time. And as you know, we've been working with you in partnership, first on Banega Swachh India, and last year we changed that to Banega Swasth India. So we've known for a very long time that hygiene is the first foundation of health. It's the first barrier. And therefore, the first thing to do to make sure health is strong is to make hygiene strong. And our company has really been focused on this. The purpose of our company is to protect, heal, and nurture in the relentless pursuit of happier and healthier lives. And for this, the fight that we are engaged in is really about providing access. First, about access to products, but then also about access to information and knowledge. We first encountered this coronavirus in China, where Dettol happens to be also the leading antiseptic brand in the country. So for the last 7 weeks now, I've been really on daily crisis calls, starting with China and watching this roll out across the world. The learnings we had in China were the learnings that we eventually rolled out. The first is that you need to protect the protectors. So in some senses, our factories, our people are really among the protectors. And the first thing that we had to do was to make sure that we are able to fight. And therefore, it's really important to have the right guidance, right social distancing, and the right programs to protect our people so that they can continue the fight. The second was really to work with our partners and supply chain, because this is the time when products are most relevant and are most needed. So we've done an enormous amount of work to try and make our products available, to try and make sure that our factories are not shut down by lockdowns, by strikes, by transport disruptions. And the amount of work that the supply chain has done has been completely incredible. We also realized that because the supply chains were broken at the last mile, we really had to ramp up on e-commerce. And e-commerce has been a key part across the world of how we try to get the products to people, along with, of course, our partners. The third thing that we did, we focused on knowledge and we focused on services. So just to give you an idea of 2 or 3 things that we did, it's very important to learn how to hand wash correctly. Very important that you hand wash for 20 seconds. So we created a TikTok campaign, which basically teaches people how to hand wash. And we had a huge upsurge of people who joined this campaign, lots of celebrities. We've rolled it out across 11 countries. It started in India. It hit 59 billion views as we speak.
Okay.
And just the numbers there are quite incredible. We created a website which separated fact from fiction, because there's also an infodemic.
In fact, what we can do, Mr. Sehgal, maybe through the course of the broadcast, you can elaborate more on these initiatives that you have taken.